Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is what we mean when we say world boss, world great. Naysayers like to pretend as if Vybz Kartel support is locally based. Them wrong. Vybz Kartel support is a worldwide movement. Gaza Nation is a global phenomenon. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you what take place in a London, UK. Big up Drop Top Records. You know the something go. Big up Lisa Mercedes. Big up all involved in the video shoot. As a matter of fact, I'm going to say the exclusive. You not talk about whips. They ain't got whips like these. Look.
I'm here, world boss, Lisa Mercedes.
Don't know where they are? Oh.
She don't like them pretty. Our girl video shoots out here, London, slow. Get you ready for that, yeah?
Viewers and subscribers, and nothing normal in a London town. Yeah, big up the whole UK Gaza load. There's no doubt about that. As a matter of fact, United Kingdom are one of the places where support dancehall music. The fans in the United Kingdom support Jamaican culture. Overall, let's just say that. A whole heap of way over there. A whole heap of yardy based in the UK. I'm like at the moment for point out this. At this point in time, we currently are not leading only in the most tracks in the dancehall music for the year. We have the most hit music videos, big budget productions. Them a talk about vehicle. Them a talk about house. A joke thing. We are talking about music. We are talking about contributions to the genre. Enough people don't like that. Enough people don't like say at the end of the day, you know, despite all of what them can say. Them can't say this. Vybz Kartel has not contributed to dancehall music. Them can't say that. That is something what them can't say. Because remember, it's when an individual artist gets international notoriety, it also shines light on the genre of music that he is a part of. And the fact that Vybz Kartel is the dominant dancehall artist also brings notoriety to dancehall music. Some of the artists now do nothing for the music. Yeah, the music has made them millionaires. And that's all them can talk about. As if that is a musical accomplishment. It is not. It is not. Not saying though that we need awards for no say your artist is a good artist. But what I am saying is that money is not necessarily a musical achievement. You can make money doing diverse things in the economy in these days. What about musical achievement is things you're gonna live on, your contributions to the genre, how you have inspired a next generation of artists to come take up the craft. Because the thing not gonna stop at you. My mind Vybz Kartel say when him forward in the game, him notice a Butch Banton. In a female, one of the most creative dancehall artists. And he must say him feel like this a music stop. And Vybz Kartel has proven himself wrong. He himself became that artist where right now people are saying Vybz Kartel music stop. People are saying now gonna forward than this one. And we not see no proofs of that happen. The artist is not forward out yet. This music video viewers and subscribers. Yeah, I like the energy. I like the fact that Fans forward out na them numbers. Drive out. Them say social distancing and guess what go on? Everybody na them own car. Luxury vehicles. And no normal settings. And no normal settings, viewers and subscribers. We just point that out. Worldwide phenomenon. Look out for the music video. Yeah, look out. Another big project from Vybz Kartel. As a gift to dancehall music. Because remember, this track is already out. So this is something for the fans. The track is already out. Many months now. And we have dropped the music video same way. For the fans. So them can represent whole of joy there. That's how we are talking about an artist. It is your job to entertain at the end of the day. To uplift, to motivate, to inspire. And Vybz Kartel music has continued to do so. We can't say at the same for every artist. You might be entertained, but you weren't inspired. You probably were motivated in a different song from a different artist. But very few artists have maintained that level of captivating an artist, or captivating the audience rather, and showing them that I am a diverse artist who can give you these different types of music. Very few artists have done so. So I'm not say why they don't want to be with the teacher, and why them dislike when we say what you know, or the teacher do that. When you point out these things, why them feel so. Let me say, we not talk about that for one. We don't know what we talk about. And at the same time, one of the same people when I say what you know. Look what them gonna say, yo, is that this track or is that Ray track? I'm tell you what I go on. We don't just not like the mere fact. So what you know? This artist is dominant and people are pointing that out. But remember, one and not do clappings. We need a multitude of dancehall artists to put out good music. So when we say what we say about an artist, it's same can take the critique, so I go on and work on the craft, refine it. We not ask them to stop the music. We not ask them to stop the music. It's up to the fans to tell an artist that. We are pointing out the facts here. These are the things where slow or stop a career. That's all we are pointing out. And we also point out the fact that some artists who claim say, yo, they have achieved it all locally. They not achieved nothing locally. They might have a name in the game, but that fouled the territory. The fact that you have the dancehall music, fans of dancehall will know of it. If you have put out enough music and people are, you know what I mean, play it. Or talk about it at least. So, having a name in the game fouled the territory. We're not talking about that. We are talking about achievements. When the teacher can say, yo, alright, we have achieved it locally. The teacher has set a standard in dancehall music, followed by others. So at this point in time, we can make a campaign for say what you know, international dominance we are dealing with. We want the Grammy. We want the recognition for dancehall music. That's a contribution to the genre. Artists when put out EP or albums, even mixtapes, cannot talk about contributions to the genre. Artists when help inspire or help put other artists out there can't talk about contributions to the music. Artists when help producers can't talk about contributions to the game. Because we don't go to get no international award of dominance for dancehall music. I don't even make no talk of aspiring to do so. The teacher say, I want the Grammy and everybody and them friend attack. But what they not talk about is why hasn't other dancehall artists aspired to attain a Grammy themselves? Why them feel like a dancehall is not worth a Grammy? So how them talk about dancehall so much? Why them want to be dancehall artists? If they don't believe say dancehall music can be recognized alongside all other big forms of music. The founders of reggae never wonder. They know so we have the music, we have do it, we have put out the work. And good work speaks for itself. And see there, reggae is what it is today. Because the fans and also the artists know what they did have. Now dancehall music is almost like dancehall artists, they haven't really recognize dancehall as an art form. They must have it to them and do a thing. Basically. Because people feel like say this should be a respected genre of music. Would conduct themselves the way some artists move. The way some artists even say some things about some other artists, they might realize that even reflect on them themselves. So they move to make certain statements. Because they realize your certain statements not good for dancehall overall. Then they're ready. But it's the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you just a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you now that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the like icon is in close proximity to everything else. So drop a like on the vlog, then drop a share on the vlog too. You know what I mean? Tell a friend, check out the channel, check out the reason, check out the video. Join the discussion, of course. Comment section open 24/7. No matter what you want to say, no matter who you are in support of, drop your comment in the comment section. We have to say. Talk to. We can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know how the something go. Yeah, man. Vice the one called Jayden Chase. And you know the settings, and for those who don't, yeah, man, now move settings, fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.